Welcome Khushamdeep to all our viewers. In today's episode, we will see the Muhafiz exclusive ready-made collection of fabric, pure brocade with glazed cotton. The size and the MRP is displayed on each picture which we have given after describing products. We accept all modes of online payment and we do free shipping within India. Orders are shipped in 2 days of ordering and tracking will share either on WhatsApp or your email ID. Delivery takes 3 to 7 working days. There may be slight delay due to COVID restrictions. Viewers kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to lighting we use for the videography. Presenting yellow peplum pant dress. You will be dazzling in this stunning garment that shows off your sense of style, sophistication, and flair of style statement. Most dazzling designer peplum frock with pant. Magnify your wardrobe all time. With this flare design, eye-catchy peplum dress, glaze cotton made peplum frock with exceptional cut work will make the plethora of colors. Comfortable brocade pant, tuning in with your body shape will feel you comfortable and stylish for any occasion. Chiffon made dupatta with lace will help you to stand out from the crowd. Cutwork at daman and pant bottom will replicate the sense of designer's masterwork. Go with this just awesome dress. Presenting yellow brocade crop top lehenga. Show your style more contently. Presenting most pleasant and sophisticated designer crop top lehenga. Wearing a crop top with lehenga is most popular style statement today. Don't resist to have today's style. Light colored glaze cotton top to present you as a Victorian lady of fashion. Pure brocade lehenga as a bottom wear is approaching as one of the best combination to wear and gear up for new fashion. Dazzling sequin lace adds up fine touch to lehenga. Wearing a lehenga with a crop top makes you look both content and beautiful. Banarsi dupatta will help you to stand out from the crowd. Ideal for any occasion, be it wedding, a festival, a reception party, family gatherings, or any other function. Presenting white brocade shrug pant dress. It's up to you to choose what you are comfortable and confident in. Premium quality shrug dress with ultimate fine quality stitching and advanced fashion skill. This shrug dress is designed to be your first choice. It will keep you cozy and stylish all day long. Pure white brocade shrug will intensify your beauty with magnificent look. Glaze cotton pant with zari laces provide you all day comfort and style. Ideal for casual occasions or even on haldi and wedding ceremonies. Go for this fine quality ethnic dress. Planning to attend a party or function and are wondering what to wear? Opt for designer western frock with coat. Western wear clothing refers to apparel, a modern touch, and finest design style. Experiment with a style statement by blending with western designer frock. Sleeveless glaze cotton made frock to spice up your wardrobe. Go with our specially crafted modern outfit for any festive or any other occasions. Experience brocade coat with finest touch of Mohafiz efforts and fashion style. Be a star of your party occasion with our designer western frock with coat. Presenting off-white color, pleasant and sophisticated designer crop top lehenga. Glaze cotton plain off-white top. We have given pin tucks on the top. And the pure brocade lehenga, which is enhanced with the sequin laces. And this dress is teamed up with the chiffon dupatta. At the foreside of the dupatta, sequin lace is given along with the light golden piping. Now our next design is peach color designer pan dress. Designer pan dress with most pleasant look. Our designer pan dress is one that belongs in every woman's wardrobe. Pleasant and comfortable pan dress made with glaze cotton fabric to tune with your style statement. Brocade top with laces of kota will provide you fashion and style all together. Chiffon made dupatta with blazing lace to add extra touch up in your divine style. Experience this light peach colored pan dress at most affordable price tag. Presenting peach color designer peplum frock with pants. Be who you are with your own remarking style. Presenting designer peplum pan dress. The best conjure of colorful dress that remarks glorious appearance. In pure brocade peplum top with attracting latkans lace for gorgeous peplum frock with slightly flared strips of fabric attached at the waist. Glaze cotton made bottom with magnificent cutwork to replicate your beauty in most sophisticated manner, accompanied by similarly matched pure chiffon dupatta to wear this dress in ideal occasion or function. Go with this designer peplum pant dress with the mesmerizing designer sense and premium quality material. Presenting peach color designer gown. There is no better way to express to yourself than with a few outfit that will stand out and turn heads. Here we're presenting gorgeous, stunning designer gown. Peach gown with brocade fabric at chest and flare of gown is of plain glaze cotton of peach color. Glaze cotton made gown to look more ethnic in most pretty stylish way. The full sleeves gown will enrich you for wearing a ethnic stylish dress. Chiffon fabric dupatta with attracting laces to add pleasant touch in your beauty. Think to wear something different, especially on party or other special occasions. This designer gown is perfect choice to look more beautiful and gorgeous. Go with this light color designer gown with premium quality material and stitching. Featuring fresh and elevated designer Indo-Western dress. A masterpiece by Muhafiz, varied in appearance, style, design, details and features. Experience Indian style taste and the dynamic Western styles appeal to look all day great. Extra soft synthetic made top with front slit, frill evoking appearance. Gota lace at slit will absolute your style. Comfortable brocade made pant with buns will adorably complement you. Have experience of this masterpiece from our impressive collection of excellent fashion style. Pure brocade top with zari laces adds up royal charm in your style. Complement it with some simple yet stylish accessories to blend your style. Soft synthetic made bottom wear is fitted at knees to give really experience of Garara suit. Golden zari laces is attached right above knees to give some flare look. The embellished dupatta adds 5 stars to the outfit. Make your occasion memorable with this embellished and stylish Garara dress. Now our next design, featuring designer palazzo dress from Muhafiz exclusive collection. It is a comfortable combination of a palazzo, stylish kurta and dupatta. Pure brocade top with slit in front and laces to add up royal charm in your style. Complement it with some simple yet stylish accessories to blend your style statement. Soft synthetic made bottom palazzo to give real experience of royal charm. Golden zari laces are attached with palazzo to give some flare look. The embellished dupatta adds 5 stars to the outfit. Make your occasion memorable with this embellished and stylish palazzo dress. Viewers, please mention in the comment box that which dress you like most. like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.